Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. So today I'm so excited to be bringing you guys this new bag that I'm going to be rocking for this year and of course next year. I've been trying for so long to get one of these bags. I'm not sure why it took me so long to go ahead and make this purchase, but I've been really having my eye on this certain bag and you will see in just a few minutes. Before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and click that like button and the subscribe. I would truly appreciate if you join the journey and the notification bell so you won't miss a beat on any time I post. Without further ado, I won't keep the anticipation going. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable.
All right, you all, so here is the bag. So basically it is a black bucket bag in the size small or mini, however you want to go by it, but it is by a black owned brand, none other than Glam-Aholic lifestyle, and Mia Ray is the founder of this beautiful affordable luxury brand. So I am so excited to finally have my hands on one of these bags because they're just so cute, so luxury. They just give me that boss vibe that I want to have in my life. So when you get your order, she has everything packaged very nicely. She is on Instagram and Facebook, and of course she has a website. I'll put everything in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourselves. But I'm so happy for this purchase. So let me go ahead and get into it. Love that I saw that her bags come in a cute dust cloth. I already did open it when it arrived to make sure everything was there. And here is the bag. Again, I did get the mini version of this bag. She has a medium and a large, and she has plenty of other things: wallets, duffel bags, fanny packs. She has book bags, little mesh fanny packs, everything. Okay, just beautiful branding. Of course, you have the G's all over this bag to show that this is the Glam-Aholic brand. Some bags come gold, you know, with the detail, and some bags come silver. I love that it comes silver because I don't really have a lot of bags that have silver. I have gold. You see black with gold all the time. And this is the inside of the bag. It has the zipper right there, the brand attached to the bag. It also comes with another little pocket right here. And I must say that in this bag you do have a lot of space to store quite a few things. I love that it's firm, so on the table, anywhere you're putting it, it will stay upright, you know what I mean? So with this purse you do get two straps. So the first strap is the shorter one, and basically the shorter one is like for a cute little, you know, hand purse. So if you wanted to, you know, take your purse on the town and you don't really want like a longer strap, you have this strap to use, which I love, because if you want to be cute and dainty, you got this kind of strap. And then you have this longer strap. So here is the longer strap, and I love this strap because if you want to crossbody your purse, you can. Now with this purse, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to keep in this purse, and I want to give y'all a visual of what all you can hold in this purse in case you're on the search for one as well. I already basically just cleaned out the older purse I was using. It was actually the same Aldo purse that I did a video on. I'll attach it right here, up here above, and you guys can go back to that one and see the other purse I was using. So I'm gonna transfer everything into this new purse. So the first thing I'm gonna put in this bag I have in here is my mace. Keep it in a zipped case because I don't want any type of spray outs in my purse. So I'm gonna put that in here. So there it is in there. I also have my wallet. Okay, I just keep my cards in here, nice and snug, doesn't do too much. I will also leave a link down below. Purchase this off of Amazon, so you guys can check that out if you want one too. Thing is this clear pouch. Purchase this also off of Amazon. I will say, when this pouch comes, you might see the branding of the company on this pouch, but I just basically rub the brand off of it because I really wanted it plain, and I thought I was purchasing it plain and it arriving plain, but it arrived with the logo. So I was like, okay, let me take some acetone and kind of clean it off. I didn't really do such a good job because the gold is still showing, which I really don't like that, but it's okay. You know, it's better than what it was. But what I keep in here, keep some gum and some dental floss picks, as well as some Carmex. I have a lip liner. I have my cocoa butter lotion in here, mirror in here. I keep a little bit of some Smell Good perfume in here. This is actually Pink Friday in this. And I have my Touchland hand sanitizer, as well as a Fenty lip gloss in here and some chapstick. When I put this in there, everything will fit very nicely. So trust me, okay? This mini bag is mini, but it's my bag. I'm actually going to put the wallet in first. Okay, the wallet is in there. I'm going to put this in here, and then I will put this bag in here as well. I also forgot I want to keep a pen in here, so I'm just going to put my pen just loosely in there. It's all good. And I still have more than enough room to fit my phone, and that is it closed. And I like that all my things, I don't have to worry about nothing falling out. Like, everything is nice and closed properly. But this, y'all, this is the new bag. This is what I'm on right now, and I absolutely love this purse. It's just so cute, so dainty. Everything I think everyone should have in their life. Definitely check it out, Glam-Aholiclifestyle.com. Make sure you get your bag. Get you one, get you a couple, but you need one in your life, whatever you do, okay? So that is pretty much it, you all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And until next time, you all, I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care. Bye.
Be here for a while in a good time, where we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, yeah, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine.